Tired of juggling multiple systems to connect with your leads and customers? Let's unlock a seamless way to make calls directly from Zoho CRM, boosting your sales productivity and improving customer service in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Setup menu in your Zoho CRM under the Channels section. Find and click on Telephony. This is where you'll integrate your chosen phone system. You'll see a list of available telephony providers. Zoho CRM integrates with many popular platforms. Choose the one your business uses or plans to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the integration. This typically involves entering API keys, account IDs, or other credentials provided by your telephony provider. Refer to your provider's documentation for specific instructions. Once configured, go to a contact, lead, or account record in Zoho CRM. You should now see a phone icon next to the phone number. Simply click the icon to initiate a call directly from your CRM. After the call, a window will automatically pop up, allowing you to log call details, add notes about the conversation, and associate the call with the contact or related records. This ensures all your communication history centralized. Finally, leverage Zoho CRM's reporting features to track your call activity. Gain valuable insights into call volumes, success rates, and team performance, all within your CRM.